Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Euhomy 1.8 cubic feet compact dryer, a portable and efficient solution for those living in apartments, dormitories, or even on the go in RVs. First up, let's talk about the key features of this compact dryer. The Euhomy dryer comes with a stainless steel exhaust duct, which ensures durability and a longer lifespan for the product. It's designed to be compact, making it an ideal choice for small living spaces where saving space is a priority. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on functionality, offering 4 different drying modes to cater to various fabric types and drying needs. When it comes to performance, users have reported that this dryer performs surprisingly well for its size. It efficiently dries clothes, although, like any compact dryer, it may take longer to dry a full load compared to a standard-sized dryer. However, its performance is more than adequate for those with limited space and smaller laundry loads. Ease of use is another highlight of the Euhomy compact dryer. It's straightforward to set up and operate, with clear instructions and simple controls. This makes it an excellent choice for people who prefer a no-fuss approach to laundry. Now, let's discuss the price. Given its features and performance, the Euhomy compact dryer offers good value for money. It's priced competitively, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who are looking for a reliable and space-saving dryer. However, no product is without its drawbacks. One potential downside is its capacity. At 1.8 cubic feet, it's not suited for large families or those who tend to do a lot of laundry at once. Additionally, while it's energy efficient for its size, it may still use more energy per load compared to larger, more efficient models. In conclusion, the Euhomy 1.8 cubic feet compact dryer is a great option for those with limited space, offering a good balance between performance, ease of use, and price. It's particularly suited for individuals or small families living in compact urban spaces. If you're interested in learning more about the Euhomy compact dryer or want to check it out for yourself, be sure to click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and comparisons.